Hey guys, Steven here. It's been some time. Last video I uploaded was about the carport. Anyways, I actually got a little bit of an update for you guys on the new truck. And, see, doing a few little things. What my dad suggested we do is hook up his Dodge batteries to the Acura and to the battery of the Expo and try to get them charged so they can at least start. This one's battery was dead. So yeah, and look at how filthy it is. And there's actually some mold on this seat, or I'm assuming this is mold. Right there. I haven't sat in this thing in quite some time. Nothing really much has been going on. Except today. We had a few things going on. And I thought I'd also show y'all. My dad actually got new seats for his Dodge from a 2006. This is a 2004. But anyways, I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on the new truck. So in past videos, I've told y'all that I was obviously getting a new truck, and I still am. That's why I got this carport. Like, if you can't tell, that's beige. And that's green. And there's a Miata underneath it. I have to park on the street until I get my next truck. But that pretty much all changed today. I actually went to the Ford dealership. And I'm ordering a 2022 Ford F150. It's going to be an XLT. So, a huge upgrade from a 1997 F150. That's all I could say. It's going to have a tow package. I need a tow package. Let's see what else. It's going to have like all power windows, power locks. I could even start the vehicle on my phone. Or if I get the Ford Pass. I think it's gonna have a little keypad, access keypad. Expo's the only thing, and only vehicle of ours that has it, I think. I'll have to look over the paperwork. The color I chose is antimatter blue. But we're gonna hold it because I want to see the color in person. If not, I'll probably just go for like stone gray or Oxford white. It's gonna be a super cab, which is the one with the little half doors. Kip, what are you doing? Good girl. It's gonna have a backup camera, which will be awesome. I like to back my vehicle in, and I might accidentally hit the fence or the gate, and I don't want that happening. It's gonna be a really big upgrade. Like, I'm excited. Anyways, salesman told me as soon as I get off work, I'm actually working from 5 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. I actually work nights, but this week it's just like cleaning up, stuff like that. I forgot what I was gonna say. But anyways, gonna be going back down to the Ford dealership after I get off work. And I'm gonna look at my salesman's Bronco that he actually won for like 2 years. then I'm gonna look at it because it's antimatter blue, the color is, and then I'll decide if I should go for that color. If not, I'll just choose like stone gray, which is light brown, or Oxford white, which is just white. I'm trying to get like a different color from white. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, I've had all white vehicles. You know, the Dodge is white, the Expo's white, my mom's Honda CR-V is white, my truck is white. So I'm just trying to think of another color, just to actually have it change. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't really got much anything else going on. And another thing, hoping to get the truck by February, so that'll be really nice. Then I'll have to put my F-150 back here, and whenever I get the time, just start like working on it, getting it ready to sell. I'm actually ordering a new seat for it as well. Because that bench seat is not really comfortable. I see you, Cup. Mud? Better be mud, girly. And, yeah, I don't have anything else going on. So, yeah, just be sure to subscribe. Be sure to thumbs up this video. Thumbs up any more videos. Get your friends to watch my channel. Get them to subscribe. I'm excited. I'll actually be able to get a new truck. I've had that one for 4.5 years. I don't have anything else going on. And I do have the year in review coming out on December 31st. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.